So Ashtosh bhai, I think first of all, I wanted to personally thank you and the SpinNet family and the team for having a very, very special relationship from the very beginning. SpinNet has been the very first client of DRiFT, as you know, but you and your team has helped us along this journey in developing what we have done with a lot of your knowledge and expertise. And I'd like to start by first of all thanking you for the journey that has gotten us where we are. Has the journey been meaningful, fruitful, and has it given you some of the benefits that we've worked together to achieve?
Thank you, Mr. Priyan. Good remarks about SpinNet, and we are glad to know that we were also able to help you developing the DRiFT health module and performance module as one of your initial clients. At SpinNet, we always believe in continual improvement, and we adopted the Kaizen philosophy around 20-25 years ago. So yes, definitely it has added a lot of value to our journey. However, with DRiFT there was a big transformation. So I would just like to mention a few. One is earlier, before DRiFT, the OE was limited to the leadership. Maybe the HODs, vice captain, and then assistant HODs. They will be maybe up to team leader level. But the big revolution came because DRiFT is totally operators oriented. So what happened that because of the DRiFT approach, we were able to sensitize and create awareness in each and every operator about OE. Today, if you ask 700 out of 750 employees, 80 or 90% of them will be able to tell you what OE means. So this is for us is a big improvement. Earlier the OE was limited to 20% of the people. Now it is with more than 80%. So we are also very much focused in digitizing our monitoring system, and we were putting efforts on various aspects. But this, because of the DRiFT performance module, the whole OE shifted to the actual cloud-based data, which we can real-time data can be seen. We can refer to the data. We can track the data. Unlike earlier days when it was manually done, manually driven, and manually monitored.
Oh, thank you for that. I actually didn't even anticipate some of the comments and benefits that you were going to make, and thank you for that feedback. Has it helped you with alignment in your business strategy and communication within your team, operating team?
Definitely helps us in improving our top-down and bottom-up communication, and to be more specific to the OE and performance of the equipment, utilization of the equipment, and availability of the equipment, which definitely affects the bottom line and affects the performance of the organization. And since the same data, everyone is in preview of the same data. It's not that operator has a different dashboard, or team leader has a different dashboard, or CEO as a CEO has a different dashboard. If we have to see the performance, it's the same dashboard. Everyone is looking at from top to bottom and then bottom up. So it's a good way of communication.
Digitized Kaizen. I know a lot of the world is talking about moving towards digitization and AI and all of this. Has the DRiFT system helped you perform more efficiently within the organization, having access to information at your fingertips and an ability to make decisions much quicker?
Digitization, definitely it has assisted us. I think one of the evidence I would say that we were the winner in last EMA Awards, best company for the digitization. Definitely DRiFT played some important role in getting that award, and we cannot take it as granted. Definitely that is one of the contributions which DRiFT has been. But important is the recognition of our efforts,
Yes.
what we are doing. So
Yes.
that is what given us the confidence that yes, what we are doing, we are moving into the right direction, and we are making some different than what other organizations are doing. And not only the adopting the software, but one of the things is how we are utilizing.
Yes.
The effective utilization of the
System.
software, and then again the communication, how we are communicating bottom up, top down on that particular aspect of OE, and whether those communications are effective or not. So all these things were assessed by the assessment committee, and it's evident that they must have seen some impactful results, and that is why they recognize us as the best company in Kenya.
As an industry leader and a well-recognized leader in Kaizen, I think you're considered the grandfather of Kaizen, which is also one of the reasons I partnered with one of the most difficult companies, textile, and a very, very complex industry with multiple machines. As a leader in the industry, what would you say to other leaders, your peers, about the DRiFT system and the solution?
Yeah, so basically, first of all, thank you again for your time. And definitely Kaizen has helped us in our journey, and the journey is continued. In terms of my recommendation or our recommendation to the other businesses and other manufacturing sector, definitely this DRiFT is going to help them, and it has helped us, and we would definitely recommend, we will definitely give a strong recommendation. Any companies who wants to work on the improvement journey, this tool is going to be very much useful in not only understanding the performance of the equipment, but also in terms of analyzing and taking the necessary countermeasures to achieve the target line.
Fantastic. I really appreciate that feedback. Last question. In terms of the DRiFT team and how we have been working with SpinNet, what would be your feedback in terms of our service delivery as a customer, a client to a customer?
DRiFT team, we have been maintaining very cordial relationship with DRiFT team, starting from the CEO, Mr. Priyan, yourself. So thank you so much for that. And all of you are very much approachable, and you understand the concern. You have a operational background, so you understand what we want to say, where we are coming from, and you are able to implement or analyze, review the feedbacks and the inputs, and able to analyze and do the needful changes in your systems, the needful fine-tuning, and most of the time the customized solution, that is what we like a lot, because most of these companies who are providing this type of software, their systems are very much fixed.
Yes.
They don't customize to the level of the organization.
Yes.
So in our case, we have seen that we are also able to customize as per our need. So that is something we appreciate, and that is something definitely helping us. You are also very open and transparent, and not only our feedback, but we also like the way you give us the feedback and the way you pick the points, improvement points from our side, and put them back to us, and that is also helping us in improving the things. So,
Thank you so much, Mr. I don't have anything else to ask.
I hope you were